Hi, Rising Star students and families. I'm going to show you how to use Google Translate to translate communication from your teacher. So I have here an email that I'd like to translate. The email has both text and also an attachment, and I'm going to show you how to translate both parts of this email into another language. So I'm going to start by highlighting and copying the text in the email. Then I'm going to go to google.com and I'm going to select Translate. Translate has two functions. You can translate text or you can translate documents. So I am going to paste my text right here, and you can see it pops up over here, and you can select from many different languages. Keep in mind that the translation isn't going to be perfect. It is being done by a computer, so there might be some parts that don't totally make sense. You can also translate documents using Google Translate. So I have already downloaded this attachment. And now what I'm going to do is select Documents. And then I'm going to upload that attachment from my computer. And then select your language. Click Translate. And it will translate that entire document for you. Again, keeping in mind that the translation may not be perfect because it is computer generated. Hopefully that's helpful if you'd like to translate any communications from your teacher.